Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a room tour of the Yotel in Times Square, New York City. So we stayed here for 4 nights and this is our honest review of our hotel room and also the amenities and location of the hotel. So during our stay at the Yotel, we stayed in a double club queen room and we were based on the 25th floor out of 27th with the most magnificent views of New York City. We booked with Virgin Atlantic and this was the cheapest room available. Like most areas in New York City, the room was pretty small, but it had everything that we basically needed. The really cool thing about this room, it had a reclining bed, so you could put it up a little bit more to give you a bit more space using this button here, or lay it completely down. And this was actually a really awesome feature and made the most of the space available. There was also a bit of storage area. You probably could have done with a little bit more. As you can see, there's some hangers, there's a couple of drawers, but nothing really a lot. But most people only stay here for a few nights. Lots of different mirrors, a nice big TV, and a really cool lighting system which you can change the colours of, which I absolutely loved. The hotel room also had all of the basic things you may need, including a bottle opener, an ironing board and the iron. They also had USBs and the plugs, lots of different areas for those, a telephone that you can even call other rooms by, which was pretty cool, and a safe that was free to use. And they also had lots of bin space, which was broken down into your recycling, paper and general trash. The hotel room also came with actually a really equipped bathroom area with pretty much anything that you'll need in general for the bathroom, including your hairdryer, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, your hand gels, creams and lots of different towels. I actually quite liked the bathroom area. It was nice and spacious. It had a nice big mirror. The one thing I didn't like though was the shower. It just flooded the entire bathroom area, which I wasn't really a fan of. It was a nice shower overall though, but just flooded. Now, despite the room not being unhygienic, there were a few little cracks and just shows of age of the room that probably could just be a little bit maintained, so I would just point that out. As we were on the 25th floor, we had an amazing view of New York City and the Hell's Kitchen area. In the other side, you can see New Jersey, and then you can also see Times Square, which I thought was really, really awesome. Now, the surrounding area, I'd say the location was pretty good. It was a little bit out of the way from like the busyness hype that you can see just over there. However, it was in a good location about 10 minutes from Times Square, so a nice easy walk. We also found out there was a CVS, a Target and some other little restaurants, including a Dunkin' Donuts, within 5 minutes, which was really, really helpful for those late night snacks. Getting around from the Yotel, like I said, was really easy. Times Square and Subway being within 10 minutes. We found Rockefeller and Empire State was between about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how quick you are. We also got the taxi from the airport, which was between $80 to $100, depending on what time you visit. Thank you so much for watching my video of the hotel room tour in the Yotel Times Square, New York City. Make sure to like and subscribe.